So guys, all of these machines are more than 100 years old and it's still working until today, and we are at 21st century now. I come across a big collections of sewing machine in Kota Kinabalu for about, the uncle told me about 360 or more.
Moving now, all these are moving.
It is.
Yeah.
You never see this before, all of this. And the brand is Singer, you know?
Yeah, singer John.
John. Oh, I never heard of John. Vesta.
This is Alice.
Oh, this is so cool. New machine versus old machines. And let me show you. These are all for display, not for sale. Sorry that the light is behind me. So this machine, so let me focus. So this machine is based on the museum, is 1600. So look at this. Look at the model. So they used to sewing animal skin. So this is a wood. Look at this. I hope you can see this. This is a wood, and you see it's still working. Oops. Okay, yeah, just now he was showing me. Okay, let me go. Some of it. Oh, so what is this? How it is? This is 160 years old, right?
120.
Oh, 120 years old. Older than me. This is all older than me.
Grandmother.
Yeah, this is all my great grandmother.
Ya. Halo bos. Ya bos. Ya, mau tengok-tengok. Apa itu? Sini.
So the uncle is very kind to explain to me all of the machines. This is his legacy. So this is a shop in where street? Kinabalu. See all the wood that you see over there are more than 100 years. 100 years. So it's very valuable. Right, I'm going to end my video now and continue later.